Okay, in this video, we're going to see a tool which can prepare micro delta profile as well as permission set. What I mean by micro is it will compare what is in the org and what is in your local file which you got from the version control. It will find out is there any new items are in the local folder for a profile, for the given profile, and by comparing it with what you got from the org. And if it finds, it will mark it as a new items. If something are changed in the permission in the profile, it will mark it as modified item. So you have two sections. One is the new item as well as the modified item. So it may be very efficient to use this micro delta profile or a permission set instead of using the full blown the profile or permission set in your local folder which you got from version control. Okay, let's talk about the tool. Let me clear the screen. So this is a tool. It's an MD API helper, retrieve simple. The type is the metadata type is profile here, and you can put your args username, and you can -n shows that what's the name of the profile. You can put it in double quote if it has got spaces and others, and in the format f flag you provide a JSON section. That means it'll go by section by section. I will explain what is a section. And here I give a -l, which is what you got from the version control, and it is stored in your local folder. And -s is the section all. That means every section what we know so far in the different types of permissions in the profile or a permission set. Let's run this command and see. I'm going to pipe it to a bad program which will show the XML file it created. So right now it's logging into your org and finding out that admin profile. And okay, this is the file it created. What I meant by a micro profile, that means it only finds out the what is different from what is in the org, and any new item you are trying to create from the version control. Here again, these are the things you can easily see. I created to show the features. For example, this is your class, and this one is just I made up. And you can create one. For example, I want to go to say the same profile. And these are by the way, these are the sections: application visibilities, class access, etc., etc. And they may not be there all the. It may not be in your org. It may not be in your version control. Sometimes you will get no data found. That's it's fine. It is designed to be like that. So if I give this particular profile, which is admin profile, and I just make a test, say field permissions, and I want to add one more just to show that it is picking up the delta. Okay, here I'm going to add, so say new something, just making it up. So if we run the command again, we should see in this particular item what I just added should be listed there, right? So let's see. Again, these are the sections, and now I have given all sections, and it is making a call to getting the data from your org and comparing it with what is in your local, which is you got from version control. So if you look at it, I just added the new account number. So it came as a new item. And suppose in this class access, I will change this one. Um, so let's do something to prove the concept that it is doing the delta. Okay, okay, perfect. So I will add one more app. Okay, I'll call it as new app. Yeah, this should get as in the new item. And suppose another one, free permissions. I will put this as phone number readable as editable as false. Okay, let's see how it does. Okay, now I made few changes. One for the application visibility, other one is on the field. These two, this tool should find out, and they should be, one should be in the new, other should be in the diff section. Let's see, it came. Okay, there is a new item. Okay, see the new app is added, and that's one I added. And you can see I changed that account number reader editable files. So the beauty of the solution is you don't have to um, pull up, load everything, deploy a complete profile. You only deploy what is the delta. So I call it as micro. I couldn't find a better word, so I use micro. And basically, you can make the profiler permission set deployment much quicker because you're dealing with a smaller set of entities in the XML, the elements. Hope this will be useful to you. I will also put it in the book, both Salesforce notes. It will have a section on the video. This video will be posted there. And again, a summary of this use cases: you are able to create micro delta for a profile. You can use it for permission set as well. Instead of loading the full profile or a permission set, this tool compares what is in the org, what do you have in local, which you got from version control, and prepares a delta file. And the delta file has got what are the diff item. That means what is different in between your local and the org. I call it as a diff item. And anything new item you have added from which is coming from version control to your local, it is branded as new item. And this is extendable. I keep all this information flexible, all this the types of permissions, and you don't have to get the new version of the tool, and it data driven. So when I change that, it'll automatically will pick up any new permissions we're going to introduce. Hope this is useful. I'll see you in the next video.